Kakasundo ko lang kay baby girl. Let's go. Where do you want to go? Yeah, gusto daw niya magmerienda sa Starbucks. Yan, no? Tingin muna kami. Ang cute nito, guys. Yes.
Mama.
Ang cute. Yeah, gusto daw niya mag-Starbucks. Which one you like, ate?
Mango.
Oh, dali. Which one you like? Eat na, ate. What you order? Oh, donut. And mama is ham and
It's a
cheese.
new straw.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Okay. Ang ganda nito, guys. Oh. Dito kami sa Meiji Store. What? Dito kami sa Meiji Store, guys. Masarap dito. What's that? Ang sarap nito, guys. This one. Ayun o, doon. Ayun ba yan? Here. Yung mga makeup cabinet. Ayan. Okay. Ganda nito. Lalagyan na ng mga labubo. Kung ano-ano action figure. Pabango. Ang ganda to. Pang corner. Pang corner. Sa toilet. For jewelry. Okay. Toing, 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 toing. Ang bango, guys. Amig Japan. Ito ang gusto ko i-try. Yung skincare ng Meiji. Guys, I want to try this. Hue scrub. Mura lang siya. Scrub sa face. May small, pero 7. Mahal siya. Yung malaki, I try the small one first. Okay? Try the sporting age. Compact makeup. Kitchen. Tapos ito, lagi ko nakikita sa TikTok. This one. Mahal yan. Ano sale. Saw this in the TikTok. So, ito ang
Mama,
ganda.
you saw this in the TikTok.
Yeah, ito ang ganda, oh. Pencil. Oh, don't put... My pants is black. Look. Yan. We're going to buy your snack. And then you pay. Yan ating 5